Most of you may be familiar with the Baba Ghanoush and don't know its difference with the Moutabel. The main difference is that Moutabel is a dip while Baba Ghanoush is more like salsa, hence the substantial difference in their ingredients, except the eggplant. Speaking of the eggplant, types vary by market. The one we're using here is a hybrid. It looks somewhat in between the globe and a Chinese eggplant, or like the so-called Italian eggplant. Eggplant has sex. They're said to have male and female like mammals. It's claimed that eggplant has dimple at the bottom. If it looks round, it is male, and is considered to contain fewer seeds, and tastes less bitter than the female, which bottom looks like dash. But do you know, botanically, eggplant, just like tomato and a cucumber, is a fruit, and a fruit has no sex. So, is a seed theory true? Let's find it out. But first, let's go over ingredients. 700 grams of eggplants, tahini, which is white sesame seeds, lemon juice, 2 large garlic cloves, Greek yogurt, which makes Moutabel extra creamy, sea salt, and some good quality olive oil. Moutabel is prominent in smoky flavor, and grilling on an open flame is the best way to achieve it. You may use a knife to poke multiple holes on the skin. As the temperature rises, the water in the eggplant will need to evaporate, so the holes will help release the steam. It's not long before the eggplant getting the signature char from the open flame. Do rotate them to get grilled evenly. My eggplants are longer than the diameter of the gadget that holds the eggplant, so the softer they become, the harder it is to maneuver. So if it's also the case for you, try your best to get a majority part charred so that you will get more smoky taste out of it. When the eggplants look like this, turn the heat off. I'll put them in a carbon box to rest for 15 minutes or so. You can also use a paper bag or, less ideal, a high heat tolerant plastic bag. After 15 minutes or so, take them out. Grab the stem and use a knife or a spoon to scrape off the charred skin. It'll be super easy. Lastly, cut off the stem. Now, moment of truth. Does the male have fewer seeds? Nope. The one below is a male. By the cut, it looks even seedier than the female, but the two are actually quite similar. If you use younger eggplants, the seeds will also be soft to the bite. But if you have seed phobia, just use a spoon to spoon out as many as you can. At this point, you can throw everything in a blender, but you don't have to, as I'm sure many Middle Eastern families do without it. Just use a knife to chop it up. How fine it is depends on how fine you like your mouthfeel. After that, transfer to a bowl, add a garlic paste, about 3 tablespoons tahini, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Mix well and have a taste. I'll add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 more teaspoon of lemon juice to add more acidity. Mix everything up, and that's it. Transfer it to a serving plate, flatten it out, and make a dent in the center. Drizzle with plenty of olive oil. It looks like a pool, but only about 3 tablespoons, I think. Sprinkle with some sumac and garnish with some mint leaf. Moutabel is quite similar to hummus, even in terms of taste, but it's economical and takes no fuss. Also, it's low in calories and starch-free, therefore suitable for those who watch a diet. It's usually eaten with a pita bread, but making pita is also a hassle. Unless you're able to buy some tasty ones, dip with anything convenient for you. And that's how you make a Moutabel.